safe at your home. Today we are going to start our first topic, which is sets. As you have learned a lot about sets in the previous classes. First of all, we will just have a little review of the last class, then we will just move on. So first of all, tell me, what is a set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Means a thing which is well-defined, means अच्छे से define हुई है. Let's suppose one thing is defined over there. Set of alphabets in G. So it is defined over there in the set. The alphabets will be there, and those alphabets will be till just G. इसके अंदर उन्होंने बताया हुआ है कि वो अल्फाबेट्स या वो सेट के अंदर क्या चीज होगी, ये क्या होगी, हमारे पास वेल डिफाइन है. बट वन थिंग इज देयर, समटाइम्स अ थिंग इज देयर, वी हैव टू मेक अ सेट ऑफ बैड बॉयज. But if we are talking about the set of bad boys in a class, this thing is not well defined to us. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता. According to the one teacher, one boy is bad, and according to the second teacher, the second boy is bad. According to the one teacher, one girl is bad, and according to the second teacher, another girl is bad. So that is not defined over there. Means any specification is not there. But if we are talking about the first one, the alphabet till G, हमें पता है alphabets क्या है? G. Let's suppose what will be the set then? A set. What will be the set? Okay. And as you remember, we always denote the set with a capital alphabet. So for the first one, I am using A. A is a set in which we are having different alphabets till G. Means A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. It is well defined that the alphabets will start from the starting and end up at the G. It is mentioned over there. These things are clarified that we have to write the alphabets over there, and it will be same. If we just change the arrangement, it will not change. But if I am talking about the bad boys of the class, according to the first teacher, the bad boys will be Ali and Hamza, Ali and Sarah, Ali and Hamza. And according to the second teacher, it will be Umar and Shadi. Fine. So if we are talking about this one set, the set will be different. It is not well defined that which one bad boy they are talking about, which kind of bad boys they are talking about. According to the first teacher, there will be the different student which are the bad boys. According to the second teacher, there will be the different boys who are the bad. So it is not well defined. We cannot say this one is the set. So this is not the set. We cannot make set of this one. And the set of the first one is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Means if it is defined over there, it will start from the starting and end up at the G. Which are the things present in the set? If we are talking about set, we always remember that we will represent the set with the help of curly brackets. These curly brackets. Fine. And the things or objects which present inside the set, that is called the elements. That is called the elements. First thing is that we always represent the set with the help of curly brackets, and the second thing is that the things or objects present inside the set, that is called the elements, and we use the commas to separate out the for separating out the elements. Fine. Okay. One more thing is that whenever we are just writing any set over there, always remember the alphabet should be in the small letter, and the representation or the name of the set will be the with the greater capital number. Means जो सेट होता है, सेट का जो नेम है वो हम हमेशा किससे डिनोट करेंगे? किससे डिनोट करेंगे? कैपिटल अल्फाबेट से, और जो अंदर उसके एलिमेंट्स होंगे, जो अल्फाबेट्स हम यूज करेंगे वो क्या होंगे? हमेशा स्मॉल में होंगे. इट कैन नॉट बी इन द कैपिटल फॉर्म. फाइन. To the types of sets, we are having different kind of sets over there. So first of all we are discussing about the empty set. Types of sets. The first one is the empty set. As its name, empty means the set which has no element, that is called the empty set. Which has no element is called empty set. Empty set. Okay. The empty set is a set which is having no element. We represent the empty set with the help of empty brackets or with the help of this sign. This sign shows that there is no element in the set. Let's suppose that A is equals to set which is having men who are 9 feet tall. Fine. So now we have to find out a set in which we have to write the name of those person who are having 9 feet, height of 9 feet. So is there any person in the world who is having the 9 feet? Height of 9 feet. कोई ऐसा बंदा है जिसकी height हमारी 9 feet हो? No. So there means there will be no element in the set. That means A, set A means the name क्या है हमारे पास set का? A has having nothing over there. So we will just write this sign. Means null set, or you can say empty set. Finite set. Finite set. Finite set is that in which the elements, the number of elements is well defined over there. Let's suppose means define number of elements. Means let's suppose I am giving an example over there. A set A in which we have to write vowels. So in the vowels how many alphabets are there? Okay, what will be the set? First of all tell me what will be the set. अगर मैं सेट है हमारे पास, इसके अंदर हमारे पास क्या है? vowels हैं. तो उस सेट्स में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स होंगे, कौन कौन सी चीजें होंगी? There will be A, E, I, O and U. And how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it is defined over there. Always whenever we are talking about a set of vowels, there will be 5 elements. That is defined over there. मतलब हमें बताया हुआ है कि एक नंबर के कितने एलिमेंट्स इसके अंदर, हम इसमें काउंट कर सकते हैं कि कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं इसके? 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं. तो that is called the finite set. We are having the infinite set. Infinite set. And this one we are having infinite numbers of elements. A set with infinite numbers of elements. एक ऐसा सेट जिसके नंबर्स को, एलिमेंट्स के नंबर्स को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. Just let's suppose just the set A which is having numbers from 100, from 1. Fine. It is mentioned over there the numbers from 1, but it is not mentioned that where the numbers are going to end. That is called the infinite elements, means infinite set. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This counting will never ends, and this is called the infinite set. Now come to the equivalent set. Equivalent sets are two different sets which are having same numbers of elements in it. Means two sets with the same numbers of elements. Let's suppose set A which is having the spelling of fox. F O X. Fine. How many elements are there in this one set? 3. And one more set you are having, in which that is defined over there, spell of box. Spell of box. So if we are talking about spell of box, so what will be the set then? Simply, what will be the set? B O N X. So in the both sets the elements are same or not? अगर मैं इस वाले को देखूं और इस वाले को देखूं तो ये दोनों सेट, क्या दोनों सेट में एक जैसे तो नहीं, पर सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स हैं या नहीं है? यानी इसमें भी 3 है तो इसमें भी 3 है या नहीं है? And so that is called the equivalent set. One more thing is there, that there is a equal set. Equal set is the set as two sets having same elements. What is the equal set? A set in which all the elements are same in both sets, means in set A as well and set B as well. Let's suppose a set is there, set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set B, what is set B? 4, 2, 3, 1. In the both sets the elements are same or not? In this one both elements are same, means 1, 2, 3, 4 is same and 4, 2, 3, 1 is same. So that both sets are called equal sets, means both sets are equal to each other. This disjoint set. A disjoint set is a set in which no elements is common between them, means sets, two sets with no common element. Let's suppose a set is there, set A, with even numbers from 1 to 20, and set B, odd numbers even numbers. N less than 5 means 5 से छोटे. So what is the first rule for making any set? First of all we have to name that set. Means I have named it B. Fine. And how the set will start? With a curly bracket. Means this one is the curly bracket. Fine. Now how many? What will be the first number in it? The first number will be 2. After that what we will place? We will place a comma, then 2 and 4. Can I write 6 over there? No, because it is less than 5. In this set we just write the numbers which are less than 5. हमें इस set में वो even numbers लिखने हैं जो कि 5 से क्या हो छोटे. So we cannot write the 6 over there. We cannot write the 6 over there. And then I have to close the bracket. Now come to the second one. What is given over there? Last 5 months of year means साल के आखिरी 5 महीनों के नाम. So what it will be? First of all I have to give the name of that set. So how I will denote? With the I will denote the set with the capital alphabet. So I am using N over there. Curly bracket for starting the set. And what will come? December. Fine. November. October. September. Fine. December, November, October, September, and the last one is January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, August, and the last one is August. So these are the 5 months name, last 5 months name of the year. Fine. Come to the next one. English alphabet till G. Fine. हमने अब इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स कितने कहा तक? G. First of all, I have to denote the set over there, which is M. Write it down. Fine. Now I will start writing the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Here it will end up over here. Fine. Now come to the next one. Set of all letters in the word communication. Now we have to make a set in which we have to write the letters which came in the word communication. यानी communication में आने वाले जो letters हैं उनका क्या बनाना है हमने set. But now here what is the problem over there? C. How many times is coming? 2 times. But what did I say? We cannot repeat the alphabets in a set. अगर alphabets लिख रहे हैं हम या कोई भी element है तो हम उसको repeat नहीं कर सकते. So I am supposing a set Q over there in which what will come? C. How many times it is coming? 1 and 2. But I will just write the C 1 time because we cannot repeat it. Then O. How many times O is coming? 2 times, but we cannot repeat it. M. How many times it is coming? 2 times, but we will just use 1 time. U is coming 1 time. Then N is coming 2 times, but we cannot write 2 times, so we just need to write 1 time. Then I, C, I, C, and A, and P. Fine. Communication. Set of all letters in the word communication. What did I say? We cannot repeat it. C is 1 time I have written, O 1 time I have written, M 2 times is coming, but I am just writing one time. Then U N I C A N T. So I have written all the alphabets in the set, but I am not repeating it because in the set we cannot repeat the same alphabet or same element again and again. Now come to the last one, clever student of our school. Can anyone define that who are clever in the school? Someone think that Ali will be clever, or someone will think Abbas will be clever, or someone say Omar will be clever. But now in clever student of students, it cannot be defined that who is. It is not defined, well defined means इसके अंदर specify नहीं है कि कौन clever है, इसके अंदर confusion है. So we cannot make the set of this one. So I will just write the no over there. Hope so you have cleared all the, you have understood all the things. We will meet next week. Allah Hafiz.